Okay, for questions 17 to 19, use the graph to write an equation, then interpret the slope and the y-intercept, and finally estimate the requested value. It says, how much would it cost if you sent 75 text messages? I think it means text messages. But first we need to find the equation of the line. And what we're given is 2 points. So the slope is going to be the difference in those two. So it's 51 minus 50 over 10 minus 0. So that's the difference in the y's divided by the difference in the x's. So your slope is 1 over 10. And it says to interpret the slope, since it's y over x, this is the cost for each. Let me write this. Cost for each text message. Okay, so there's your slope. Next thing, we're going to have to find the y-intercept, but in this case they gave it to us. So we're going to put this in y equals mx plus b. We know the slope is 1/10 x. The y-intercept is on the graph. It's marked as 50. The y-intercept, what does it mean? That is the cost of your plan before texts are added. Okay. So now we have the equation of the line. It says to use the graph to write the equation. We did that. Interpret the slope. We did that. And y-intercept. We did that. Finally, estimate the requested value. How much would it cost if you sent 75 text messages? Well, 75. The text messages are on the x, so I'm going to replace the x with 75. 1/10 of 75 is 7.5. Add the initial cost of the plan, and it would cost $57.50. Okay.